Hey there, I'm Spencer. You're watching Moto Scout. But you already knew that because you know how to read, hopefully. Here we have a set of British Customs Turnout / cut pipes for the 2020 Triumph Speed Twin. When I first bought this bike, I thought for sure the first thing that I was going to do was swap out the factory OEM pipes for either these or the box or some sort of aftermarket, louder, cooler exhaust. The more I ride this bike, the more I fall in love with the factory OEM pipes. They sound awesome, they look awesome, and they're legal. But I can't shake that lust for that vintage drag pipe look. And I really want to know what this bike sounds like when you open it up. Let it breathe. So we're gonna throw these bad boys on here and see how they fare. But first, we're gonna crack this puppy open and see how they come from British Customs. Stuck around. Okay. First things first, we're gonna bust out our trusty Leatherman. If you don't use a Leatherman, you're wrong. Let's cut this puppy open. Okay, got a packing slip from ShipStation. Some foam. What's this? Shims. And we got some screw kit. And there they are. I'm pretty sure that's it. Yep. Those are going to be very loud. Well, there they are. If that's not the quickest unboxing of all time, then I don't know what is. Does it even have install instructions? Nope. No install instructions, but seems like it's pretty self-explanatory. So I guess we'll get these puppies thrown on and see how they sound and look. Pretty excited about this. I think it's like 3 or 4 contact points that you have to remove and then put these back on. First impression, the build quality is pretty nice. Some of these welds are a little, I don't want to say questionable because I don't know enough about welding, but they don't look super neat. But they should be, for $350 set of pipes, I guess I can't expect a whole lot. Cuts are nice and clean, sanded, sort of. A little sharp on the inside, but they look nice. Well, that's interesting. These are marked. One is blue. Hopefully you can see that. And the other one is red on the inside. I'm assuming that that is to differentiate which side is which, but that seems like it's a little self-explanatory. You know, these slashes go out and the hangers go up. I'm stoked to get them on and see how they look and sound. I'm assuming that this is like the 100th video that you've watched on these in your long journey of research on whether or not you want to buy them. So if you like this video, make sure to give me the big 3 because I am deeply, deeply insecure and in dire need of your validation. I guess we'll see you on the install. Thanks for hanging out. That is creepy. The door keeps opening because of the wind and it's like squeaky and I'm the only one here in this industrial park right now. And I'm just waiting for somebody to come murder me. It's creepy here at night by yourself. I don't like it. I keep hearing noises. I'm not 100% certain this place is not haunted or at least infested with crackheads. I don't like it.